Hello, so right now we're going to go over the pipette calibration module, and the main purpose of this module is to see if your pipette is calibrated correctly using accuracy and precision. So we're going to start with task descriptor 0. So what this is asking is to fill a 1-liter beaker with 500 milliliters. So we're going to go over here on the shelf and we're going to go ahead and grab that beaker and we're going to fill it with water with that water dispenser. After we fill it with enough water, we can actually check how much we added. You can submit it now, and let's go to the next task. For this one, we're going to grab a 10 milliliter weighing boat and putting it on that scale. This next one, we just have to tare it. For this next one, it's a little different. We're going to actually grab our pipette and set it to 20 microliters. So we're going to grab our P20. We're going to put it on the counter, and I'm going to use the voice commands right now. Set pipette volume 20 microliters. And you could actually see on the pipette that I actually switched it to 20. For the rest, if you don't want to use the voice commands or they don't work or anything, you could change it here. You could change it to 10 and you could actually see it on the pipette. But since this is asking for 20, let's change it back. From there, we're going to load the tip onto the pipette. We just have to grab the same color. We're going to put it in and we could actually see that tip is on it. For this next task, we have to draw up some liquid with our pipette. So just an overview on how to use our pipette. This would be our bottom position. You would click the middle to be in the middle position, and you need to click the top for the top position. So to draw up the liquid, we're actually going to use our beaker full of water, and we're going to start in the middle position. If we start at the bottom position, it's going to grab more liquid than it should. So let's start at the middle position, and you see that band right there? Whenever you get in the water, it's going to turn green. So we drop some water right there, and you have your water in your tip. For this next one, we're going to be dispensing that water into our weighing boat that we have on the scale. So remember, you're going to do it in parts. So you're going to do middle position and bottom position. For this next one, we're going to be recording our data in our notebook. So you're going to be looking at your scale and doing the correct sig fix. So right now we can estimate that it's going to be around 0.0199. We enter it and it's going to be written on our first data point in grams. For this next one, we're going to be using our calculator. So we're going to be grabbing that calculator. You can put it wherever you want. You can expand it to make it easier for you, and you're going to be putting the mass that you obtained and dividing it by the number right here, which is 0.9970. And from there you have successfully changed it from grams to milliliters. So let's insert that into the submit button since it's asking specifically to submit it on the calculator. On this next one, it's just asking you to submit this value in the correct sig fix in your notebook. And we're going to do this 4 more times. Now that we have acquired all our data point values, we're going to grab the average volume of them. We need to put this in the notebook. Now that we have calculated the average, we're going to calculate standard deviation in an Excel spreadsheet. So go ahead and take off your headset and go to your computer. Now that you have taken off your headset, go ahead and go to your desktop and open that Excel spreadsheet that says Pipette Calibration. Make sure you fill in the milliliters. So on cell A5, you can put your first data point. For us, we got 0.0199. And for the second one, we got the same exact thing. And for the third one, we got the same exact thing too. For 4 and 5, we got a different value, which is in 0.02. So we're going to input those into the other cells. And then you're going to go into cell A1. In there, you're going to be typing equals STD. Make sure you put STD with the one that ends with a P. And from there, just click the first cell of your data point. Drag it down all the way to your 5th cell. And click enter. After that, you're going to see your value. If it has an E in the number, make sure you click the cell, go up to number, change the general into number, and click increase decimal. After that, just click it a few times until you see a number that's not 0. And after that, you just click File, Save, and you can close it up. Go to your Helper Labs tab and click Submit. After that, just pop into your headset and you're going to do some other calculations, and then you're done with this module.